Hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. As you all know, we have started Lead Code SQL 50 series where we'll be going to solve 50 SQL problems. So this will help you to crack any SQL interviews. So in this series, we have already covered 27 videos as of now. So now we are in the 28th video. Let's see that how we can solve this particular kind of question. We are using Lead Code platform, which will help you to skill up your problem solving skills. So the problem number is 1619, 619. So biggest single number. Let's see the schema first, table schema first, and then understand the problem statement and see the example, and then we'll go to try to execute the query. Okay. Let's see what they have given first. My numbers is the table they have given, which is having a column name that is num. It's an integer. The table contains duplicate. In other words, no primary key for this table in SQL. So there is no primary key. So duplicates of number is possible. They are telling like that. Each row of this table contains an integer will be there, int type. So what they are telling is a single number is a number that appears only once in the my numbers table. So okay, in my numbers tables they can duplicates can be available, right? But a single number is a kind of thing that appeared only once in that table. So we have to find out which number is coming as only once in the entire table. Okay, find the largest single number. So single numbers may be of any. So one should be only appear once, that can be a single number. If two appears only once, that can be a single number. If three appears more than once, it is not considered a single number. So when it comes to a larger number, here one also single number, two also single number. When largest is nothing but single number two we have to get. So find out the largest single number. There is no single number. If there is no single number, we have to report as null. Okay. That was sorry, they're asking us to do. Okay, the result format in the following example if we see, then what they are telling, the result format will be good to know. So see, example one is given. My numbers tables is there, some numbers are there. You can see 8 are repeated two times, 3 is repeated two times, and 1 is only once, 4 is only once, and 5 is only once, and 6 is also only once. So see, if you see the largest number, they are asking about from these 1, 4, 5, 6. What is the largest number? 6 is the largest number. So num is the 6. 6 is what they are returning. Okay. Okay. The single numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 6. So the since is the 6 is the largest number from this, we have to return that. Okay. Let's see the second example so that you can understand better. So this is the table. For 8, 8 is repeated, 7, 7 is repeated, and 3 is repeated. There is no repetition right here. So all everything is repeated. There is no single number. In that case, what they want to return is they want to return as null in that case. So there is no single numbers in the input table. So they have to return null. Okay. So let's see how we can do this problem. First, let's start with a simple select. So we have only one column, so that is num. From that is what we have to return. From what? From the table, only one table they have given. From numbers table, we have that num. Okay, so from num, select num from my numbers table, and then what we have to do, because there is a repetition, we have to group by that number only, so that we can get only one time. Okay, so now what they want, they're asking like repetition should be only once, so we have to get the count of that, how many times it's repeated kind of thing. So you can have star, like only one column name is there, you can have star, or directly a column number also you can mention, that is also fine. So count of num, how many times repeated should be one, only one, so one time. So if you see order by, they want like largest number, right? So they want largest number, then you can simply do order by with num and then descending order. So that means we are getting largest number. I'm just limiting that to one, so that only one value will be there. Okay, so this is clear, right? Let me just run this and show you what output should be there for this particular query. We have not solved the entire solution, but see, it's a wrong answer. We know it's a wrong answer, but what is expected? So see, expected is nothing but we have to get a null value. So there is no such kind of thing, but we should get that. So this is accepted as the first case is accepted. So 883, then we have getting largest number from this, because we have written the descending order and order by and getting only count one. So all the conditions are satisfied. We are checking for a single number, that is fine, and we are ordering it. Single number is checked and the order by with descending order and limiting one is getting as largest number. But whatever missing is second case, if they have given like there is no single value, that report null. That thing is not satisfying here. So for that, what we have to do, we have to do coalesce. Okay, let me have one more select here. Select of, I want to apply coalesce. You know, right? We have already used coalesce kind of thing in some problems. So I'm having coalesce. In that way, I'm having again this select here, select of this as a subquery, and then I'm giving as null. So if there is no value in this particular query, it will give as null. So I'm just giving the aliasing name for this as num, because the table name is num, right? So I'm aliasing name as num. So this is coalesce is returning null value if there is no value in that case. So the case 2 will also solve. They are telling like if there is no number, report as null, right? So num will be the number. I'm just running this. So see, case one is accepted and case two is also accepted. So now the two cases which I have given is satisfied. So I hope you understood this simple problem. Let's see what we have done. So we have done just taking the num from my numbers table and grouping the num because their duplicates are available. So we are grouping with num, and I'm checking like if it's a single number or not. Single number is nothing but it should repeat it only once. So num count of that number should be one, and then they are asking about the largest number of single number. So like to get the largest number, what I'm doing, I'm just reversing that order and getting like in a descending order, that is highest to lowest. Then we are limiting that to one, so that is we get only one number from that largest number. So this is what we are getting from the this inner query. And then again they are asking if there is no single number kind of thing, we have just written null. So I'm just doing coalesce for this inner query and then giving an aliasing name for that. So as they have given num as in column name, so now it's achieved. So I hope you have understood this simple query. If you have any doubts regarding this, let me know in the comment section. Okay. So the same thing we can do in other ways also by using max function. So max, write inner query with having, and then get the max instead of order by, and you can use like max on the top by using this as a subquery. So that is also possible. I hope you have understood. Let me know in the comment section how you can solve the same problem in different kind of things. It will be very good to know different possible ways, as all subscribers who are watching will also view your comments. That will help them also. So until now, I've done now with this video. So let's see in the next video. Hope you have enjoyed watching our videos. Let me know in the comment section how you feel our videos will be, can be easily understandable or bit difficult. And any suggestions will be accepted. Let me know in the comment section. Share our videos to your friends that are going to learning stage of SQL kind of things. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.